How to invite somebody to Signal for iPad. Your Signal contact list will show you who is already using the app. You can also invite your contacts to join for a better Signal experience. To invite a friend to Signal on the iPad, tap on the Compose button. At the top of the contact list, you will have an option called Invite Friends to Signal. Tap on Invite Friends to Signal. You can send the message by email or message. Let's select Message. Select the contact you want to send the invitation. Tap on Done. You can now change the message. After you finish, just tap on the Send button. Let's see how we can send an invite to somebody on email. Tap Mail. Select the content you want to send the invitation to. Tap on Done. You can change the message how you want here. After you finish the message, just tap on the Send button from the top. This is how you send an invite on iPad on Signal. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.